Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with more work from home job leads. In this video, I wanted to do something just a little bit different. I am normally always sharing job leads that appeal to the masses and most amount of people would qualify for, things that don't require any college degree, things like data entry and customer service. But I do have today 3 high-paying job leads to share with you. Only one of these even requires a college degree, so these are very high paying. You can even make up to $250,000 a year without any college degree. I thought this would be a fun video to make because even if you don't have any experience or qualifications for these high-paying jobs, getting high-paying jobs and not having a college degree is possible. So I wanted to share the types of skills and stuff that you may need. So if you want one of these jobs in the future, you can plan for what things you need to learn and what skills you need to be working on yourself and developing. That is how I actually got my job that I have now, my full-time job in management. So I will not waste any more time. Just know the links to any of these, if you are interested, are down in the YouTube description box below. And as always, if you enjoy my videos, please like and share, as that gives me feedback that I am providing something that is of value to you. First up, we have the company Leidos. I hope I'm saying that right. They are hiring a document production manager editing specialist, and this is remote within the United States. But they are looking for someone to integrate into an existing editorial and document production team. Someone to lead the editorial and formatting team in editing, formatting, QA and QC, and the production of their environmental impact statements or other documents that are complex. You'll help project managers develop the editorial and formatting schedules. You'll integrate any available editorial bench staff into projects. You'll instill accountability among the editorial team. You'll organize and manage projects. You'll help project managers and authors stay on schedule, and you'll also yourself edit and format complex documents, ensuring a high quality final product, and you have to stick to specific guidelines. So this is more on editing with a little bit of dabble in project management. Now, it does say they want a bachelor degree or 4-year experience. It says additional years of experience will be considered in lieu of degree. So if you have experience in editing more than 4 years, then you do not actually have to have a bachelor degree. They will take experience over a degree. Please, please, please do not do what I do and do not spend a bunch of money and go into debt to go to college only to never use your actual degree. Degrees are not needed in today's world. Other than the degree, they are looking for someone who can use Microsoft Word. That is their software of choice for formatting documents, producing drafts, and final documentation. You also need to be familiar with Adobe Acrobat PDF, how to create and format different PDFs and use that. But this pay range has a low, medium, and high end listed. It starts out on the low end at $72,000 a year. Mid-range is $111,000 a year. And on the high range, if you have that experience, is $149,000 a year. Moving right along, this one I'm very excited to share. The company Slice is hiring a vice president of their revenue section. Now, Slice empowers local independent pizzerias with modern tools that allow major chains to dominate until now. So they're trying to give all of the technology that the modern chains have to the small business local mom and pops. So as a member of their leadership team, you'll oversee the sales and customer success strategies and tactics to continue developing sales motions designed to acquire new and existing customer relationships. You'll develop team productivity KPIs to grow the pipeline. You'll improve closing rates and increase efficiency. You'll also help identify opportunities to optimize the customer journey and champion changes to facilitate growth channels. You'll collaborate with the Vice President of Finance to help build a roadmap for accurate reporting and goal setting. And you'll also work with the marketing team and product and engineering teams to coordinate go-to-marketing plans. Now, they do not require any kind of degree. They do want someone who's 15 years experience in some kind of sales leadership role, who can be growth oriented, someone who has previous experience building or working with high quality brands, someone who has the proven ability to relay information internally and externally in a clear manner. And then they also need someone who's a self-starter, motivated, and passionate. Now, the salary range for this is very, very high. It's $210,000 on the low end, up to $250,000 a year on the high end, and that is just your base salary. They also offer bonus and equities on top of that, making that salary even higher. That is a great salary just to have no degree required. If you are interested, they have their hiring process outlined below. And last but not least, this one does require a degree, but Cochlear is hiring a senior manager for quality and compliance. Now, Cochlear, it says, is the most recognized brand in hearing healthcare. I'm assuming they make cochlear implants. But they are looking for someone to maintain compliance and facilitate improvements in their clinical investigation, someone to conduct operational activities as assigned for the Regional Clinical Quality Manager process, someone to manage the FDA and Health Canada inspections, and someone to be the champion for good clinical practice. You'll also participate in and support global clinical quality and compliance core activities, including metrics and management reviews. Now, like I said, this one does require a bachelor degree in either communication disorders, health sciences, nursing, or public health, and it does require 7 years of relevant work experience in the medical device or pharmaceutical industry. So this is something I know someone had put in the comments down below, that they were a nurse and they were looking for a work from home job. This would be a very high paying job that would be good for people who want to leave the patient side of the nursing industry and come into. If you have 7 years experience of being a nurse, and of course most people have to have that BSN in nursing to be a nurse these days in the United States, this would be something perfect for you. It does say this role is 100% remote for any candidates who live outside of Colorado. So just know if you do live in Colorado, they may require you to come into the office. The salary for this is anywhere from $120,000 to $130,000 a year. Of course, pay is dependent on experience, but on top of that base salary, you can get a bonus of up to 15% a year. All right, if there's any high-paying job titles that you have been interested in learning more about or seeing if they're hiring or what they pay, please leave those down below and let me know. I am always interested in the comments and seeing what you're actually looking for. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.